How you doing? I'm in BandLab today, and we're gonna go through some of my beats. Could be one or two or three, not too much, depending on how you guys like it. But I'm just gonna give you a taste of what I have coming out: the fire, the heat, or maybe not. You can tell me. Leave it in the comments, all right? If it's heat, or you should rush it, or you should flush it. Okay, so that's one flavor. I'll give you the second flavor right now because it's like an ice cream shop, baby. Here we go. This one's called Toxic. Coming at ya. Express the Machine. xtmmusic.com. Express Music. Express Beats. Express Beats. Yeah. It's that good music, baby. Huh? Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's not get carried away now. Can't get everything, baby. Gotta, you know what I mean? Say something for the second day, right? In this case, the third day. That is just a beat. So that's just a doozy. Let's go back and let's play a song that's named. Okay, how about this here? Right. Cha. Right. Okay. So you don't want to go down so deep, right? That's techno perfecto. Funkadelic soul. of something, right? You know what I mean? ¿Entiendes? So, I mean, there's a couple there. I'm gonna play one more for you, then I'm out of here. Get my bounce. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day. You know, it's great that we can get in here and just go to the accessibility to speech. We want voice to text. So we just come here and switch this on. This is a HP um, computer. Okay. We're back to BandLab, C major, and I want to do talk to text. Verse 1. Switch it off for a second. But you see how we just typed that? That's what I'm trying to get at. So let's hear this back. Your love is my love. Any suggestion? Your love is my love. Any suggestions for your love? I need directions to your love. True love, pure love, real love. I need to touch you, girl, real slow. I need a moment with you alone. Pure love, true love, unconditional, true love. Your love is my love. I need your love. Verse 2. Your love is my love. I need suggestions to your love. I need directions to your love. True love. Real love. I need you to touch me, girl, real slow. I need a moment with you alone. True love. Pure love. Unconditional. True love. I need your love. I need your love. I need your love. Your love is my love. And we stop right there. And there you have it, bro and brodies and female uh, viewers. You see? So you just go in here now and just touch up what you don't like. Like me, for instance, I don't like